Hello and welcome to the Journeyman Level video on honeybee anatomy. In this video you will learn the various structures that the honeybee uses to not only locate but to store, collect, and return resources to her hive. We'll start with a look at the tools on the honeybee's legs. First, I'll introduce you to some general characteristics of all insect legs. All insect leg sections are differentiated by short, unsclerotized areas between long, sclerotized areas. Now, don't let the word sclerotized fool you, it just means hardened. Because insects have an exoskeleton, which means instead of having bones to support their muscles, they have an exoskeleton to protect their bodies. Another thing we need to realize about insects' legs is that their divisions are functional, not actual. By that, we define each individual section of an insect's legs by the musculature that moves the legs, or that part of the leg. If a certain part of the leg lacks musculature, even if it appears to be several different pieces, it is considered one piece. In the case of the honeybee, you will find that in her tarsus. It appears to be 5 pieces, but is connected only by a tendon, no individual musculature. Thus, the tarsus, though appearing to be 5 parts, is simply one part. In the honeybee, it is called the metatarsus. All insect legs are broken down into 6 parts: the coxa, trochanter, femur, tibia, tarsus, and as we've already seen in the honeybee, the tarsus is in 5 parts. Each part is called a tarsomere, and the pretarsus. In the honeybee, this is a tarsal claw. Shown here are 2 legs from the honeybee. One is the front leg, the other is the back leg. They all have the same 6 parts, though they look morphologically different. Here's the coxa in each leg, the trochanter, femur, tibia, tarsus, and the tarsal claw. Now that we understand insects' legs in general, let's take a detailed look at the various tools built into the honeybee's legs. Specifically, we will look at the antenna cleaner, the tarsal claw, brushes, and the pollen press.